here. So we are already live today. We are already live. Reason for that being is that I'm also looking at bonds today, and the bonds do open right now. So try to kind of get a video capture here. Okay, that's a problem, I guess. Like, okay, I can't. It seems like I can't have two video captures at the same time here. Whatever. Like, it is what it is. You know, I love you guys, but trading is kind of more important than having my ugly face on the camera here, I guess. So I want to be looking at the bonds open right now. So yes, it's kind of interesting place as well. So the 50s to short is interesting on the S, but I'm kind of like more interested what the bonds are doing right now on the open. So the bonds to open here. Haven't really decided yet where I want to take this. I mean, I guess I could be resetting those here as well. Makes sense. So if there's a good trade on the ES, I'll take it. So I'll glance over to the ES from time to time. But I'm not forcing anything on the ES or the Qs for that matter today. Like after rewatching yesterday's tape, I saw myself over trading quite a bit again. So I'll mainly look what the bonds want to do here. I'll let the open shake out a little bit here first. Kind of want to see where we at and stuff. Q's also kind of rejected value area high here. If you look at the bonds, the 10 years are holding. The ultra bond is kind of the lows. I need to audio output. I need to disable this as well, because if I don't, and later on I decide to put some music on, then I'm gonna get screwed again. And we don't want that. So right now we are kind of trying to get a long fill here. Okay, out for a tick here. my bounce trade. So at break even here. Good thing I cut that. It didn't go. I'll try to. I don't wanna like mess up all my Q setting here. Whatever. Like you won't be having a camera right now here because I kinda. But it's just without the cam. But just like yeah, basically looking at the bonds here. I mean, I guess I could kind of, let's later, like maybe try to figure out the camera stuff. Right now, whatever. Oh, we do see seller come back in here. Do see value shift higher. I do see the 10 years still pushing. I need to kind of like, this is not ideal. Value is shifting lower here. The try to take it. 10 years. The ultra bond just kind of grab the high here. They're going higher. Just doing. I don't want to pay too much attention to the Qs and DS pre-market. Bonds like really looking like they want to be ripping here. Qs are breaking down. I want to short, yes, yeah. Ja? Nein, kann nicht. Ja, ich weiß, das geht irgendwie nicht. No ways. Like, does someone know how I can give to... I kinda wanna... Thing is, I just don't know how I can adjust this or whatever. Let's stay on this screen. Looking at both anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Let's see where I'll be taking a trade here. Low key wanna short the S here. Down. It's pre-market, so I wanna be really careful with my S trades. So now we did take out the overnight and the ultra bond here. But on the 10 years we still have ways to go. Mm-hmm. 10 years of pushing. Ultra bond is pushing. Qs are also pushing. Everything is pushing right now. Yes, just kind of lagging, I guess. But you also can't forget, like, the Qs are still way behind. Like, they are nowhere close to the Qs are nowhere close yet to the what should I call it, like, to the high of the year. Like, Qs are really lagging behind the S, so don't know. Bonds are still ripping higher as well. Yeah. Kind of top tick on the Qs here. It's just like the liquidity ain't the best here to scalp this. Probably will get bad fiddles if you just try to do this pre-market. Just no buying, no some buying. Lots of buying. Now we finally see some sellers come in here in the bond market, I guess. But they're still taking it higher. And I'm thinking about shorting the bonds here. But it's dangerous because the 10 years not at the highs yet, which obviously right now we just have too much buying pressure on the bonds. Now we do see the first sign of sellers coming back in here, trying to short the ultra bond here. Okay, got a fill here. Just for a tick though. Probably should have held this longer. This was like bad end exit, I guess. Just taking a tick here was kind of awful. Sold the top here. Got way too early. Oh, you guys can't even see. I don't know why I took just a tick here. So here on the ultra bond trade, just sold the top here and it just took one tick. Yeah. Obviously, should have taken more here, but it is what it is, I guess. How's the S looking? Like the 51's weak. And it still looks weak on the bonds here because we're just reason why I'm trying to trade bonds now till the market opens is just basically because my edge, to be honest, is in reading the order flow for the most part, and it's way more profitable in the bonds. Like there was no reason, to be honest, to get out here from this trade. So and I just should have held it. It is what it is, I guess. Wasn't willing to accept my risk basically there. So I'd say this is the main reason I didn't. I just wanted to lock in the tick, which is allowed at the bonds. Like if you trade ultra bonds, like your tick is $31 and you have only $2 commissions, so that's also a reason I wanna kind of trust. I would love to switch to the bonds. I think what's kind of preventing me is all the time I've spent in reading the ES order flow. I know, like for my system, for my style, for my style of trading and everything else, like it's probably way better for me, or would be way better for me to trade the bonds. But I just put so much time in reading the ES already, so that I'm kind of like just thinking maybe like, I don't know, maybe I should stay with the ES because all the experience and all the screen time I gathered on the ES is not something, I guess, but still, like, if ES would be more volatile, I'd be trading the ES, I guess, as well, but like right now ES is moving so little, and then thank you trading I'm doing right now is like, I don't know, like I rewatched yesterday's footage, and I mean, I guess it was okay, but to some extent I feel like I'm a little bit gambling when I'm scalping the SNQ, so I don't really like, hard to tell, I don't really have that well of a read or edge, so anyways, we can also, like, I could try if I do delete the camera here. Let me try something. Remove. Yes. And then if I do put on a camera here, now I can put it on. Okay, I guess that works. So now you can kind of see me. Let's put it here. Now you can see me trade the bonds here. So the bonds are at the low of day here. Does seem like they want to break down here, but oh, that was kind of frustrating. So pretty much 2 tick sold the high here. Just took 1 tick. I don't know why. Like, no reason. So really like no reason there to just take 1 tick. Some buyers are coming back in. We are like kind of way below here, 10 years, and maybe like, no, I was too slow. Like I saw the buyers come back in and should have probably just executed. 55 buyers here, like, yeah, it's okay though. Like missing these trades is completely fine. I don't need to take a billion trades a day. If I only take 1 trade a day, it's also fine. So I'll chill, I guess. Q's are puking here. Right now, no selling though. Like heavy buying. So this is the 10 years and this is the bonds. The ultra bond, but the ultra on a 100 lot print on the ultra bond, it's heavy. Like that's a lot of size for the ultra bond. Like you see lots of buying here. Could have maybe gone. Now some sellers coming back in. So now we might get a pullback or another leg down here. The ultra bond is like kind of just pushing and ripping here. The 10 years are kind of telling a different story. So in the 10 years we are holding below the open here. And we do have some sellers here as well. So 65, 70s. We had some aggressive sellers here. Oh, now the sellers are coming back into the ultra bond as well. And I kind of want to get into a short here. And it goes without me. Too slow. Once again, too slow here. And I want to pull it. Like too slow here, like on the execution. Like maybe should have marketed in, don't know. But marketing in on the ultra bond is kind of heavy because if you market in, you're basically giving away 31 bucks. But it should have been a little bit quicker here, I guess. Like once this 100 lot printed here, it was pretty like obvious. Is kind of too heavy to say, I guess, but like it was pretty likely once this 100 lot printed that we are kind of testing the lows again. There's some more heavy buying coming in here, but I don't really want to long it here, just because the 10 years are still looking weak, and they are below they are at the lows, and now we see some buying on the 10 years as well. Awesome. I thought this was on the ultra bond. 10 years, obviously. Now here you could take a tick or two. Let me actually like... this is going higher. I should have longed here again, but it's fine. Like I need to set something different here. Like I wanna do just 2. So strategy manager, new. Let's make it 2 tick. Ticks 2. Stop ticks 4, I guess. Okay. I wanna be doing like even like maybe a 2 tick here. So just according to the volatility, I just wanna grab the next couple ticks here. So 2 ticks is fine for me on the ultra bond here. It's 60 bucks like on one contract. And you do not pay pretty much, you'd only pay 2 bucks commission, so it's completely fine. Just taking 2 ticks. So I wanna see, I wanna live in the now and I wanna see what's happening. See some selling here. Let me see what TS is doing here. They held the 48s, now back at the 50s. Goes into 15s. Now selling coming back in. I do want a short here, hoping to get a fill. Getting a fill here. Just looking for the 2 ticks here. 1, 2, and nice, and I'm out. And that's how easy you can make 60 bucks here, like on one lot. That's it's, I don't know, like, yeah, that's like, that suits me so well, like that. Honestly, like, I don't even know right now why I stopped trading the bonds, I guess. Like, I mean, I do know because I love the S. And just love being in touch with the general market and so, but like this is my style of trading pretty much in a nutshell, and this just suits my personality so much better. So yeah. Again, let's try to find something, I guess. So the 65s are still being hit here. Even considering buying back the 5s here. Then one thing I don't like, I probably kind of need to some extent, fix the time on my inside column prints. Like, I don't really like that it's standing there for so long. Like, I don't like that. I would kind of want them to reset, like, almost every time we trade, I guess. I'm gonna do this right now, like. I mean, and then again, I do like to see if it's just, I need to just adjust the time, and do know that somewhere in Jigsaw you can do that. Just not 100% sure where. Need to figure it out. Clear trades, timer, interval. Like, ooh. Like now, like that's a short here. Ah, come on. Maybe tick back up. Probably won't. Thinking about chasing this. But I really want the 04 fill here. Like, I really want the 04 fill. Like, I hope to get it. But I'm pretty late in queue here. I think, yeah, now I got the fill. 1. Come on. No? Don't want to trade. See the 4-4 trades again here. I think this can give out here. Okay, out for break even. It's fine. Maybe. Don't know if I should have taken one trick there. Like, I don't know. Maybe, I guess. But I saw a huge bar, huge selling coming in here. And this is already sitting at the low. This is, man, it's at the VA block as well, kind of, but definitely more at the lows. Like, we opened here, you can see that. Trading above the open here. So, I thought we might see a run to the things here. But it's okay, like, that's why I wanted the 04 fill, and I wasn't willing to hit the 03s. Because I figured if I get the 04 fill, I get a free look for this puke. And if I would have hit the 03s like that, I can't get a free look here. So now though, let's reset the footprints here. It's not much big buying coming in here though. Like, I mean, we did push up. We saw one big buy at those 7s here. Not all too much. Like, I'm just gonna have to. Hey man, sorry, I just now checked the chat, so sorry about that. How much are you paying for the Apex Trader Weight market data? I'm actually not paying for the Apex Trader Weight data. I'm having a little trick here. So I'm paying for the rhythmic data because it still should. Now I see big sellers come back in. I wanna hit here the O5s again. Trying to get my 2 tick here. Okay, I just took a 1 tick loser there. It's fine. I'm actually not. What did I want to say? Like I'm having a little, I guess, trick here. I'd say I'm using the. So I'm using the rhythmic data from them, because rhythmic also shows you better things, but a better DOM, a better market depth, especially a deeper market depth, especially once if you're trading in Q, it's important, I think. But I can still, so if I pull up my DOM here, for example, like if through Jigsaw I want to make a new DOM here, I can, that's my trader weight account, and I have both connections here. So also you can see on my here on the connection manager, I'm connected with both at the same time. So this means I can go here with the rhythmic AFMEX connection. So with my rhythmic connection where I do pay only $10, and then I can still select my my trader weight account, and yeah, basically just trade it on the DOM here. So I paid $10 for CME and $10 for CPOT data. So I got for the bonds, I got the CPOT as well. So, but if you're only trading ES and then Q, you basically only need CPOT, CME data. So I only paid $10. I just the difference in commissions is so huge. I checked even for, because now I figured like I might want to try bonds. I checked even for bonds. There's a difference about $1 on with rhythmic connection. You pay, in my opinion, like $3 or so in commissions round turn. I mean, bonds are so freaking cheap. Yeah, I do think I do think it does work with most connections, at least. Like I think like Jigsaw works with most connections. They have like I don't know, like I don't know. I just know that this works. Like I don't want to like spread any false information really, so not sure. But this works, I guess. Like that's as much as I can say about that. I mean, we do see heavy selling here into the 06s, but they kind of just getting absorbed. So don't know about that here. I'm pushing higher here. Pushing higher, pushing higher. So I don't know, like I do like the bounce here, like I do like it a lot. Just looking for my 2 ticks. For my 2 tickers. So it does look like ES just made a high, and S just made a new high. Q is a tank in here. Yeah, bonds are super thick. Bonds are a super thick market. But the thing what I like so much about the bonds is that the huge tick value. So like the 31 or so bucks in it's just huge in tick value on the ultra bond. Like the 31 bucks in tick value on the ultra bond, and only paying $2 in commission. Oh no, that's a rejection here. Now I want to get in here at the 07s here, hoping to get a fill. The thing is though, if you trade bonds, especially ultra bonds, I do think it's very important, since it's not moving so much and it's very slow, that you always pretty much always try to get a limit fill. So the 10 years are kind of pushing down here. I don't like that they're reloading here. Trying to get out for break even here. Might cut this for one tick loser again. I got out break even. I could have maybe taken a tick there, but or even stayed in, I guess. I should have stayed in this trade. Like I should have. That's not a trade to cut here at break even. Like there was no reason. That I was just impatient, too impatient, I guess. Well, that way did I need to. Yeah, exactly. Like, and you also have to compare the commissions, in my opinion. Like, jeez, like, like should have. Anyways, it is what it is, I guess. The thing is, first off, you do have, like I said, you do have only $2 something commissions, which is obviously very cheap. And secondly, you have $31 tick value. So if you take a tick on the bonds here, like you have a tick, as you have already on one contract a plus of like 29 bucks or so. And if you take one tick on the ES, like even if you only pay $3 to $4 in commissions, you only get nine bucks. So just that's kind of the trade I was actually looking for. I should have let it breathe a little bit there, I guess. Should have let it breathe a little bit. It's okay, like I shouldn't have panicked here. Yeah, shouldn't have panicked there. I'm gonna take a quick coffee break, because that's kind of tilting here. It was pretty clean, obvious trade, and I took it, and that just kind of panicked, which ain't good. Be right back. Ja, aber nicht viel. Yeah, I know. Yes, and NQ are just I don't know what's going on with them, so that's also why I kind of So I'm back now, by the way. That's why I kind of wanna not really trade ES and NQ right now, because I don't know what they're doing really. I have to figure it out. This looks like the just come back, so I don't want to hop in right away, but we still see a lot of selling pressure into the low. So this looks like we might break it. Yeah. Huge selling into the lows here. Cube just kind of bounced off VPOC, but huge selling pressure. Yeah, I have to scrapping, yes. Yeah, no longer, but you can kind of look me up if you're interested. I think I'm in this chat anyway with my other account here. So that's me. So I've been fighting MMA professionally for about 9 years. But now I had neck surgery, so it's time to become a trader, I guess. Yeah, exactly. That's me. If you wanna, like, I have more stuff about trading on my Insta if you like, but I don't like, so that's my Insta if you wanna check it, I guess. I don't really like connecting those two personalities really, so that's why I don't talk about that much about it, but I guess with you 5 peoples here in my life, I can talk about it. But I just kind of want to make this about trading, and I don't know where my life leads me as a fighter, as an athlete going forward, because yeah, I had a bad neck surgery after my last fight, so that kind of sucks. And we see buyers come back in here. Still selling pressure on the 10 years. Trying to get a fill here. Jesus, like late again, I guess. Might wanna move this. Fill me. Fill me, fill me, fill me, fill me. Yes, got my fill here. Oh, I still need to see. That's not good here. Now we do see sellers come back in. They're trying to hold the bid here, but now the bid is pulling. A lot of wanna get out here. A lot of buyers on the 10 years. need to get out. Ah, that hurt. Too much buying on the 10 years here. Should have gotten out a little bit earlier, I guess. Once I saw there were no sellers interested here and then it ticked back, I should have just marked it out here. So lots of buying here. I want to be patient. Sellers are coming back in here. Now only one guy here. Oh, we don't see buyers. Kind of lifted the offer here. Willing to sell here the 31s again. Don't like the reloading here. Not at all. Ah. Good unless we break the 01s here. Just don't want to see much buying into the 01s. That was a bad one. Jesus. I need to wait now a bit. I need to wait here. Those were not good trades. Those were not good trades. Not at all. Need to be chilling here. Those are kind of pushing higher. Yes, kind of pushing higher. Now we're finally saying nobody's buying those tools now, they're buying them. And they bought them very aggressively, so I don't like that. Bit is stepping up with it. Nobody's willing to. We kinda we're really selling down here, so that's very good for me. We're selling like at the lows into this, like this is kind of this price here. So we're even selling below this. Everything looks perfect here. If the, how should I say it? If the 10 years keep on coming down here, and they do, like we do see selling here, like they are approaching the lows. The ultra bond is not even close to the lows yet. Now we see some buyers, yeah, a big selling here into the 01s, which kind of hold for now, but big selling below this volume point here. Still want to trust this trade. Oh, no, I don't want to see that. Oh, jeez, like, no, I might be wrong here. Still want to hold it, like, ain't pulling it yet. Now I don't want to see them hit here the 60s, especially not on size. Sellers need to come back in now. Yeah, now the sellers are back in. So that's good. Like 60 were not hit on size, so the trade is still looking awesome, like even better now. The 10 years are approaching the lows. If the 10 years break here, this might be a very juicy trade, I guess you could call it. Now only one lot here, one lot there, like that's where I'm kind of Two lots, they're testing it. We ain't seen real follow through though. I wanna be patient here. 3. I wanna give this time and room here. 300. Yeah, market's also open in 10 minutes. I still see big selling here, so I'm still staying in this trade. As long as I see big selling here, I'm staying in it. I'm still fine with this. Like, I'm completely fine. Like, I'm fine. I need to stay in. I want to see them sell the 40s now on the next push though. I want to see on the 10 years sellers selling the 40s. And I really don't want to see big buyers here anymore. I might just pull this. Now I do see big sellers, so this is looking very good. They're kind of getting absorbed here. But we continue to see selling into the low here. Now the selling is somewhat drying out. Now we see some selling here. The bid like kinda added here a lot. Now we see buyers come back in. It's at bid here again and nobody's selling. Oh, that ain't the best sign. The bid stepping up here. Might need to pull this for break even. I want to see the sellers come back in here. Or here, like any of the two markets really. Now the sellers are coming back in here, that's good. But I need to see them committing. Immediately went bid again, that's not good. Yeah, that's nice. Now we do see this follow through here. Now the sellers are coming in. Now I do think they're gonna break the low here. Sellers are committing, so that's why I want to be patient with these trades. And now we see them, yeah, they're pushing. I need to see them keep on pushing here. Obviously, I want to be patient, but only 1,464 moving the other way. That's not good. Trying to pull this for 2 ticks here. Just pulled it for 2 ticks here. It's probably going where I want it to, but like now I'm getting here a little bit impatient. Ja, bei dem ist jeder Tick 330, gell? 12, 50, gell? Ja, voll. Vor allem wegen die Commissions. Ja, weniger sogar, obwohl viel mehr wert ist pro Tick, weißt du, man. Ist so bei uns. Na, war immer gleich bei S. Aber S hat sich früher mehr bewegt, durch das war es wurscht. Ja, es ist viel angenehmer, es ist viel chillter. Entschuldigung. Now we're getting this push. Like, I should have stayed in it. Like, I really should have. I just got impatient. Entschuldige. I really got impatient there. Yeah. So the trade idea was the correct one, the right one, like everything's working out, and it's probably exactly going to target here. So I think like 24 was my target, but I guess it's to some extent. Oh no, we're rejecting. Can't even make this bigger here because I don't have much open here anyways. So I'm also starting to clinch here a little bit on the ES right now, and the NQ, which I have on the other monitor. So might as well be taking trades there too. Don't know. We'll see how the open plays out and shakes out and everything. Then I'm gonna be switching obviously to the to them, but buying coming in now on the bonds. Bottom tick on the ES. Huge bottom tick on the ES, but it's 3 minutes till market open. So I don't know. But that was a huge bottom tick on the ES. Might want to long the Qs here. Longing then into the open is I don't know, like longing the Qs into the open is something dangerous, I guess. But I should have longed this. Like, Jesus. They're just ripping. That was a huge bottom tick on the ES. It's on the other one. Ooh. Now Q's kind of top ticked here. But now we are close to the open. So I'm gonna be switching the screens again here. So I do have to remove my camera from here. Video capture. Remove. And then go to the other scene. I do need to figure this out how this better works here, I guess, but yeah, whatever. I think you'll be able to live with this. I think we're going up. Like, this was a huge bottom tick on the ES here. Don't know. Like, we'll see. Like, I'll wait for the open here. So this bottom tick on the ES here was huge. I hadn't I was still streaming the other on the other monitor when it happened, but this was a perfect clean bottom tick on the ES here. So Yeah, but I don't want to long it into the open, so therefore, yeah. I was kind of saying that I kind of want to long the Qs, but anywho, it is what it is. Oh, now it to open. Holy guacamole. Jesus, the Qs are ripping. What are the Qs doing here? Indices are if you compare kind of this to the bonds, then you kind of get like all sorts of cancer, brain destruction. That's what I'm saying. Like bonds are kind of boring at times, I guess, but it also doesn't make sense. Like somehow it just feels like yes, and the Qs are kind of invertly correlated today, because in the pre-market, like basically all pre-market, the Qs were chilling at the lows here, kind of somewhere, and I took some trades here in the London session, and they were kind of chilling here, but yeah, and yes was it sitting at the highs all the time, so I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. I guess you could have longed DS in the 50s on the pullback here to value area, cause yeah, maybe I don't know, but I do think it. The thing is, I kind of respect the break because we built the range for so long, so I don't think it's just FOMO. I think we're actually going higher. And I kind of could have bought this pullback to 50s here, and I should have actually on the ES here. Like, should have gotten in on this pullback to 50, like with Qs pushing higher like this. But das sind jetzt die ES und Qs. Na, jetzt das Open, schau mal an. Da habe ich gute Volatility. Ich schaue beides, aber jetzt schaue ich kurz das Open und am ES an. Und auf die Qs. Now we're at this 55 area, which I kind of like for a short on a bigger picture play. Like this is one of the areas I kind of like on the ES to short. So, now there goes the 55s. So I don't know, like, I mean, it's dangerous if you want to short this, I guess. But ja, ein bisschen, ja. Alles ist irgendwie ein bisschen connected, kann man sagen. Also, like with the bonds pushing higher, like usually bonds and indices are kind of inverted. So it doesn't really make so much sense for me that the bonds are making highs here and pushing higher. And the 55 here is like, you actually might want to think about shorting the Qs here. Thinking about shorting the Qs. No, I'm too late. Now 55 is kind of becoming a pretty high EV area here. Shorting the Qs here. Didn't get a fill yet. Hoping to get one. Filled now. Don't like how we're hovering around here. Trying to get out. By break even here, out. Out for close to break even. Weil das ein guter Trader. Gar nichts, -5 oder so. Ja, zuerst und dann am Dings. Ja, aber jetzt bin ich switcht, weil ich auf dem bin, jetzt bin ich da auf dem. Ja, ich meine, ist es der gleiche Account, der funded ist? Kannst du ihn auf beiden traden? Ja, voll. Hast du das gemacht? Ja, jetzt schon am Schluss. So we are approaching, ich muss mich leider voll konzentrieren, Schatz, tut mir leid. So we're approaching the highs here on the Qs and on the ES. And bonds are kind of looking weak. So we're pushing highs here, pushing highs on the Qs, broke out on the Qs. So ES probably breaks with it here. Yeah, ES breaking out here as well. Hard top tick on the Qs. Qs top tick, yes, also kind of top tick. What are the bonds doing? Bonds also looking weak. It looks everything now, I mean, we're at the highs, so don't get me wrong, but we're still looking kind of weak here, in my opinion. Trying another short on the Qs here. Kind of even willing to risk a full stop on it. Has to flush now though. Don't like how it finds a bid. And I got ticked out to the tick here. Fuck. Like now it's going down. Now it's falling. Like Jesus, like I should have risked half. This was such a good setup. My stop was just kind of. Yes, very weak. Another top tick here on the Qs. It's finding. Qs keep on breaking here. So kind of thinking about longing the ES here or shorting the Qs. One of both. Qs keep on ripping. So this does look healthy on the Qs. No, it does. Trying to long, yes. No, I'm kind of late. Jesus. I should have longed, yes. Here, like. Na, weil ja, wie gesagt, beim Open habe ich super Volatility. Na, es ist eine Sekunde. Yeah, I should have longed, yes. Like, unfortunately, I didn't get the fill here. Was a little bit hesitant also, to be honest. Just keep on finding buyers here to a certain extent here, I guess. Oh yes, it's also pushing. They could be rubber banding back to one another now. Yes, it's really struggling here. And we do have I still like this trade. I like the way we kind of like come. No, it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Like. Ja, es ist eigentlich die Cues, was wir jetzt gekriegt haben, gar nicht das. Taking a deep breath here. Now we're kind of looking like we're topped out. No. Ja, kannst du mir vielleicht vom Handy zuschauen, wenn du eben gestresst bist. Achso. Okay, ja. Ja, okay.
Er stresst dich nicht, du stresst dich selber. Es hat mich nur interessiert,
Ja, passt schon. Okay. Ja, na. Ja, weil jetzt, bitte muss mich einfach konzentrieren.
Ja, ich störe dich ja
okay.
nicht, wenn ich das sehe.
Ja, okay. Yes, kind of bottom tick TIS is pushing long in the queues here. What? Oh no, obviously, like no. Taking a short break here for 2-3 minutes. No trades. Ja, jetzt tut mir leid, das stresst mich. Okay, like, I'm sorry about the audio. Like, he has kind of bottom ticked here. So might wanna take the cues back up here. Okay, nice. This was based off this bottom tick here. I wanted to take the cues back up and not just fire. Hard flush here. Wanna watch closely here. We're gonna long the cues here, but kind of hesitant on the trigger. Yes, it's about 50% retrace from this down move. That's why I'm kind of like not pulling the trigger here. Yes, it's firing bias again. Long in the cues for a push here. Out for break even here. Probably bad idea to get out for break even here. Bonds are also setting up for long. I should have just stayed in this here. Now we're back at the middle of this range in the 55s here. Also looking at bonds now, I guess you can see this, but the ultra bond might be setting up for a long here. Ja, ist nicht mal da drinnen. Und okay, Scheiße. Ja, yes. Jesus, like, should have not gone out here, obviously. Top tick on the queues here. Yes, breaking out with it. Hey, that was so dumb to pull this trade. Break even. I was just emotional to move to break even here. The ultra bounce is setting up now. I'm in a long, knowing the ultra bounce here. I do see sellers come back in, but braucht da noch ein paar Käufer. Da bleibt es sein. Das ist gut. Schaut gut aus. Na, passt schon. Das ist aber nicht so gut, dass die heiß pushen. Die sind normalerweise. Es ist immer noch ein sehr guter Trade eigentlich. Die fallen jetzt wieder. I do like the ultra bond long trade here. I mean, right now. Oh, now I kind of don't like it. I wanna. Das schaut eigentlich nicht so schlecht aus. Yeah, this tut's jetzt. It's looking, my ultra bond trade is looking very good. And the indices are dropping, which is usually a good sign for the bonds. It's good. Hat so viel Potenzial, dass man der Trade. Na, 10 Minuten oder so, eine Viertelstunde vielleicht. No, the indices are finding some support that's not so good, I guess. And we're still having buyers on the 10 years. Yeah, es ist breaking highs. Na, ist nicht, das passt schon. Ja, es hängt halt mehr irgendwie von den Q ab. Nice. I do wanna like, yeah. That's good. That's good. That's not so good. Kind of rejection here on my ultra bond trade. Erzählt bitte, wir sind noch. No, I don't shit. Like my ultra bond trade is like kind of starting to look bad here. But I still want to hold it because it has lots of potential. I want to let it breathe a little bit. And Q seems like it. And Q is kind of breaking down. Hard bottom tick on the Qs. Longing the Qs here. Like my read on the Qs is kind of bad today. Lots of buying on my bounce trade. And my bounce trade is looking really awesome. It's looking really good. Just gotta be patient with it. I might want to re-enter the long here on the Qs. And I just got stopped out here. Just my stop was too close. Like once again, like my stops are just too close on the Qs. Idea was right, just the stop was too close, I guess. Honestly, like. So hard rejection here. Let's see if we can hold the mean here. Oh. There was some news event, I guess. 4 p.m. news. Oh. 500. Yeah. Jesus, some sort of news event here, I guess. I didn't like even check for news today. Fuck's sake. I wasn't checking for news. That was totally my bad. I hit a big loss on my bounce trade here as well on the news drop, unfortunately. Gib mal. Spawn-Karriere und Gamers, keine Ahnung, ich habe sogar geschrieben, aber ich habe mir nicht gedacht, dass das so High Impact News sind. Ja, ich nicht, aber also ich habe gesehen, dass News, es sind jeden Tag irgendwelche News, aber es war kein großes News-Event eigentlich. Ja, weil das jetzt wahrscheinlich sowieso irgendwie weird war wegen den News. We're pushing highs again. It's probably just the liquidation here. Bottom tick here. Yeah. Yes, yeah. There were a few good opportunities. I was just too bad day overall, obviously. I just wasn't aware of the news. That just kind of screwed me over, I guess. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm gonna go to the sim now and just trade a little bit. See you guys. Peace.